How to find the best Amazon promo code and coupons. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To find the best Amazon promo code and coupon in a preferred browser, search for Amazon promo code. Over here you'll find list of websites dealing with promo code and offer that is for your Amazon. To get the best out of this, you can go ahead and compare the promo code and benefits out of it. So you can choose any of the website after your thorough preview. Now in here, you can also enter your email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out any of the promo codes or offer. If you see any of the promo code that you find appealing to yourself, just click on it. Then over here, tap on the copy option to get the promo code for yourself. To use it at instant, click on Redeem at Amazon, which will redirect you to the official homepage of your Amazon. Now to use the promo code, firstly purchase the item. Then while you are checking out after your account, you will see the button of Add Promo Code, in which you can go ahead and enter your promo code in the empty field. By this way, you'll be able to use the promo codes or coupon. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.